The surgeon for mechanical keyboard shows how much professionals value precision tools that enhance performance. Similarly, in the barbering and hairstyling industry, Japanese barber shears are highly sought after for their craftsmanship, sharpness, and ergonomic designs. List 1. The Fogo SP 6-inch professional hair shears are crafted from VG10 Japanese stainless steel, one of the highest quality materials used in premium barber tools. Known for its exceptional sharpness and edge retention, VG10 steel ensures that each cut is clean, precise, and effortless. This makes the shears particularly effective for both wet and dry cutting, reducing hand strain over long use. The ergonomic handle design is another highlight, featuring an offset grip that promotes natural hand positioning. This reduces fatigue and makes it easier for barbers to maintain control during detailed work. The adjustable tension screw allows for customization, letting professionals fine-tune the shear's tightness to match their cutting style. The set also includes accessories like a cleaning cloth and protective case, adding value for working barbers or students. At 6 inches, these shears strike a balance between control and versatility, suitable for layering, point cutting, and general haircuts. List 2. Thinning shears are a must-have in any barber's toolkit, and these 5.5-inch barber thinning scissors are designed with 440C Japanese stainless steel, known for its durability and corrosion resistance. The fine teeth design makes them perfect for blending, texturizing, and removing bulk without leaving harsh lines in the hair. At 5.5 inches, these shears are compact and offer excellent control for detailed work. The sharp, precision-ground teeth ensure smooth thinning, while the ergonomic handle provides comfort during extended use. They are particularly effective for softening transitions in fades or adding natural texture to haircuts. The adjustable screw system allows users to modify tension to suit their cutting preferences. Whether you're working on men's short fades or women's layered cuts, these shears provide professional-grade performance at an affordable price. List 3. The ULG Professional Hairdressing Kit is an all-in-one solution that includes both cutting shears and thinning shears, making it ideal for beginners and seasoned barbers alike. Made from premium Japanese stainless steel, both pairs feature razor-sharp blades that deliver clean, accurate cuts with minimal effort. The ergonomic handle design with a removable finger rest enhances comfort and reduces strain on the wrist, which is crucial for professionals working long hours. The cutting shears are versatile enough for trimming, layering, and point cutting, while the thinning shears excel at blending and texturizing. The kit also includes a protective leather case for storage, ensuring the tools stay sharp and safe. Both pairs measure around 6 inches, offering a great balance between control and efficiency. The polished mirror finish adds a premium look, while the precision adjustment. List 4. The Equinox Razor Edge series is a barber favorite thanks to its razor-sharp Japanese stainless steel blades. These 6.5-inch shears are designed for professional barbers who need a dependable all-purpose cutting tool that can handle both precision work and bulk trimming. The convex edge blades provide exceptionally smooth cutting action, minimizing hair damage and split ends. Makes them excellent for achieving clean lines, blunt cuts, and precise detailing. The ergonomic offset handle reduces strain, while the tension adjustment screw ensures you can fine-tune the performance to your preference. One standout feature of Equinox shears is their affordability without sacrificing quality. Despite being budget-friendly, they deliver performance that rivals higher-priced professional shears. The lightweight build also makes them comfortable to use for extended cutting sessions. List 5. Ontaki's 5.5-inch premium hand-forged scissors are a specialized tool crafted specifically for mustaches and beards. Made from hand-forged Japanese stainless steel, they offer unparalleled sharpness and precision, making them perfect for detail-oriented grooming. The compact 5.5-inch design provides excellent maneuverability, allowing barbers and grooming enthusiasts to trim beards and mustaches with ease. The ergonomic handle ensures comfort and stability, reducing the risk of fatigue during precise shaping and edging. These scissors are hand-forged, meaning each pair undergoes a meticulous crafting process to ensure top-tier quality. The convex edges and fine tips make them especially suited for detailed trimming work that requires a steady hand. Ontaki positions these shears as a premium grooming tool.